goal is.
All right, y'all. I haven't been down here in like 2 years.
To stay mostly dry.
It's been like 2 years since I've kayaked down here.
It is.
And we're gonna go kayak. Also, guys, remember this GoPro is fully waterproof. I just don't want to. No, it's fully waterproof. I just don't want to get it wet in this goop water. Thunderstormed hard last night. Or not last night, a couple days ago. A couple of days ago it stormed hard. And it's river water. Oh hey, tadpoles. Oh, a lot of tadpoles. All right. Oh yeah, I feel that. Wow. All right, y'all. Yep. All right, yeah. Y'all are still recording. All right. I'm waiting for my mom. And oh my gosh, I haven't been in this water in like 2 years.
Trying to get all the water out.
She's trying to get the water out at first.
As best as I can.
All right.
And it's doing that. Now it's got mud.
All right.
All right. I think that's as good as it's gonna get.
Why are there holes in this?
Huh? Why are there holes where?
On the bottom, why are there little spaced things? These are built in.
So that's if
Look.
water gets in there,
Oh, it will flow out.
it'll flow out maybe. Are there actual holes or
No.
are they drains?
They're just drains, I think. Because nothing can cause a hole that clean.
In case somebody decides to come on the trail, I hear a bike and will wanna
Get hit. All right, y'all. Haven't done this in like 2 years. Whew. It's a bit cold. Other than that, we're fine. The stream is harder than it used to be. Okay. Yo, this stream. Oh, I forgot to live stream today, y'all. Forgot to bring my phone to live stream. But y'all, we didn't ride today. So, eh. Hopefully I remember how to properly kayak. I do not want to go over there, that's disgusting. I remember how fast I used to kayak. I'm so fast at kayaking.
try not to fall in.
All right, come on. You just gotta get momentum.
Downstream.
You just gotta get momentum. Come on. All right, y'all. I haven't done this in like 2 years. My friend Stetson is up there. You can check out his channel, Ramon187. Y'all, the reason why we didn't ride today is it was hot today. It was like really hot today. And my mom is not doing well right now. Yo, I've never done a kayak video in my life. Oh gosh. Not even with my phone. Okay. I haven't done this in so long. Mom, what are you doing? What?
There was too many moving parts. I got in, the backpack wasn't shut. The shirts fell out.
Oh,
The
yeah.
phone almost fell out.
Oh,
It was
gosh.
taking me upstream.
Mom, that's why you go up here.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. Take two.
Sorry.
Take two. All right. Y'all ready? And most importantly, are you ready?
Here, I'm gonna try and let this dry off.
All right, y'all.
Trying not to fall in.
All right. So you, hey, bah! I thought that was an eel real quick. All right, y'all. Like I said, I haven't done this in 2 years.
I'm hoping that I'm not
Okay.
gonna get hurt.
2 years. And I've been riding here a lot. Remember when Robbie Madison, or if you've ever seen him do it, he just rode across the entire ocean. Like the entire thing. And it's crazy. Break! It's like motocross. I'm just kidding. Imagine actually. Come on, dude. It's easy. Y'all, look at my mom.
Storm has us like going upstream like crazy. Okay, there we
No, it doesn't. It's easy. All right. Lynn the Moto Mom is okay.
Sorry.
And Zach the Moto Kid is okay. Oh, y'all, I wish I recorded it the first time I came down here. I remember all of this.
Sorry.
I completely memorized everything down here. There's some blockades. They're not blockades, but like wood and stuff. And see what is different after 2 freaking years of not coming here. No, we came 2 years ago. And y'all, I'm 9 nowadays. So 2 years ago, I was 7. Wow, this is nostalgic. My big brother Joe, y'all already know, is probably like, you're not old enough to be saying something's nostalgic. But shut up, Joe. I don't care. Anyway, yo. We're going fast. Oh, gosh, I hit my finger. Oh gosh, that's bad. If it did. I remember when I used to jump into here. And I get all wet. We gotta get to the next creek. It's like 0.2 miles away. It's like 0.2 miles away right now. It's not that far, the other creek. Bro, that wood looks like a gator. Never mind, it doesn't. Like an upside down one. Oh, wow. Well, that tree...
Yeah, I think that tree fell in the other day. That wasn't like that before.
No. Like I said, we haven't came here for 2 years. Alright, y'all. This, oh, I remember this! This overhang! I remember this, y'all. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna stand up and paddle. See? I'm not. I remember this, y'all. My kayak is wide open and yours has an enclosing.
You
Hold
can't do that 'cause you're gonna. I got got too much junk.
Sword fight.
And I don't want to crash. No, thanks.
I'm just kidding, bro.
Well, I don't want to crash under the trees, bro.
Bra? It's old. It's old to say bra. Yeah.
Okay, are you going to go in front of me or behind me?
Alright, anyway, yo. Orba 8SS. USS, bro. I'm just kidding. It's 8SS. This water, I do not remember being this dirty.
Well, there was a storm.
Well, yeah.
And I think the water went up a little bit, thankfully.
Yeah. I want to see how deep it is real quick.
Created
Oh, it's deep.
Yeah, it's pretty deep right now. Could have created some erosion.
It's not even reaching the bottom. Here, Mom, stop. Mom, stop.
Drop it.
This doesn't even reach the bottom.
Yeah, drop it.
This thing floats.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it floats. It's because the air's, or the water's resistance is stronger than the paddles. That's why if you put salt in the water,
Well, also, if it doesn't fill up all the way.
you'll float. This is so nice. I remember this such a long time ago.
So you don't regret not bringing your bike teaching us. Or I shouldn't remind you.
No, we're gonna bring my bike 24/7. Anyway, y'all, today I saw my friend Stetson, and I wish I brought my dirt bike. Because today we came here kayaking because it was hot, and I also wanted to record it because I've never have. And we didn't bring my bike because it was hot and we were gonna kayak. But now I wish I brought my bike because my friend's here. And I'd probably say my best friend because, yeah. All right, Mom, you doing okay back there? Paw, paw. Oh, something's there.
What do you think it was?
Frog.
Turtle?
A turtle? Why would you think a turtle would be here? A snapping? Get the frick out of here.
Remember the turtles we saw on the rock?
Yeah, but those aren't snapping turtles. Were they?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. You think I could drift? Yeah, you can drift. I'm freaking drifting right now. Oh, never mind. Yeah, this is faster. Okay. Hey, get off my GoPro. Fly. Alright, y'all. I remember I used to like dodge these lily pads and I'd go through this little gap right here. And one time I didn't know that there was stuff on these lily pads and I went all the way through and I was swarmed by, I don't know if it was bees or flies, but I didn't get bit. They weren't mad at me, but it was just all around me and I was like scared. I was like 6 at that time, so I was like so afraid of bees, and I still am. Well, not really. It's just if it gets super duper close to me, or like on me, I'm scared. But if it gets a little close to me, it's fine. But if it gets on me, get out. Oh, hey, there's a flower blooming on the lily pad. Oh, I've learned my lesson. Do not go through that. But like there was so many lily pads that time I did it. It was like no water, just lily. But there was water under it, of course. And the creek, the next creek should be coming up. And maybe
I wonder how south.
300 feet.
This is another tree to just go.
No, that was there.
Was it
Yeah. Maybe 400 feet.
that much?
The creek will be here. Let's see. Oh, it can touch.
Give it a little bit more power.
And I'm like as tall or taller than this paddle. And this thing's reaching the ground. Hey, Mom, can I get some of that water? Here, I'm gonna get close to you. Got it. Hey! Oh shoot, I'm gonna run into that.
You okay?
Yep. Here, Mom, let's stop for a minute. Oh.
Like when you come towards me, you almost flip me over.
All right, just stop. All right, yeah. Fuel it up.
Don't drink it all. Don't drink too much because that's all we got. That's
Oh
it.
gosh. Anyway.
Don't drop it because it'll sink. No, thank you.
All right, y'all. We are creeping up close to the next creek. It was like a mud bath in this next creek. Me and my friend Stetson were like engulfed by the mud, but we could still breathe. It was crazy. It was absolutely crazy. Stetson, if you're watching this and you remember the moment that we went in mud in this other creek, comment that down below. If you even know what my channel is. I don't think that he knows. I don't think he does know. Hold on. Yeah. All right. All right. Cool. All right. Let's see how deep it is now. Oh, still touches. It still touches the bottom. Remember, this thing floats. Look. It just floats.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, now I'm soaked. I think I could go in the water with y'all on my body. What I mean by y'all is the camera, because that'd be weird. Most of my subscribers, well, I have 66 subscribers. Most of them don't even,
I still have my phone.
they don't even make public subscriptions, so I can't see all of my subscribers' channels. So, if all of y'all could just like put your subscriptions public, and I could just like see all 66, if you even have a channel, just check it out. And then y'all, if you have a channel, I'll subscribe. Okay, I'll subscribe. The people who add their subscriptions public now, like right now, I will subscribe to.
Exactly what time is it?
2:43. And it's 2:44 now. Anyway. So if you want a free subscriber, then just make your subscriptions public, and I'll just subscribe to y'all. And only the people who make their subscriptions public in this video, I will subscribe to. So, yeah. Here. Get out of here. Hold on. Oh, that thing's not clamped to the ground, but okay. Okay. Let's check how deep it is. Oh, this touches the ground. But it's fully engulfed. I think this next creek should be maybe 250 or 400, 500 feet away. One dragonfly liked me, and okay, so I had all dragonflies on my fingertips and one was on my freaking head. One of them I named Dragonoid because the monster truck, when I was like 6 and I absolutely loved monster trucks. I still like monster trucks, just motocross is better. In my opinion, that's in my opinion, okay? Don't take that as offensive, please.
Let him listen. Totally quiet.
You hear the birds? You know, do you think a silent splash like this of water just sounds really good? Hey! Hey, what's up, buddy? Hey. Hey, he's staying with my boat. Hey, it's okay, buddy. Oh my gosh, this dragonfly is getting, like, on my boat. There's a bunch of dragonflies here.
Yeah, there always have been, remember?
Yeah. Sun dolphin. That's your kayak's name? Sun dolphin? Mine's named Lifetime.
It's kind of plastic. I think you can leave it in the sun and it doesn't.
Mine is Lifetime.
Yeah, yours won't. That's the nice part about it. The surfboards that we left out.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hold on.
Yo, I haven't been talking much. I think the creek is right there. Get out of my way. I'm just kidding. All this goop is slowing me down a lot, bro. All this goop. Ow! Oh, there it is! Wait, the mud's not there anymore. The leaves grew around it.
It's all the storm. The creek is high right now.
Oh, yeah.
Because we needed rain.
Also, by the way, I think those leaves weren't there, but I think they're covering all of the mud that me and all my motocross friends. Yeah, there was some ginormous birds. I'm talking like half and a quarter of me, bro.
Yeah. Are we going over?
We're swimming. All right, y'all. This isn't the end of the video. Mom, this thing's waterproof. Yeah, it rose a lot. Because it was way more shallow than this. The island right there?
Yeah. Either that or the water.
Alright, it's cold, bro. Okay. Okay, yo. Oh, it's cold. Okay. Oh, that's cold. Gosh dang. Oh gosh. I feel that. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, just do it. Oh! Oh! Well. Oh. Oh. Bro, the GoPro straps are also waterproof, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. Let's get to the deeper ends. Oh, yeah. Ooh. It's warm over here. Probably because, it's not... Oh, you ready to go under? Yo, that was sick. Did y'all like that? Y'all are at 78% or 28%, and I came here at 78%. All right, y'all. Picture, y'all. All right, YouTube. I've never taken my GoPro underwater, so this is sick. Why do I look buff in that picture? What?
I don't know.
I mean, I kind of am. Oh gosh, those rocks hurt. Gosh. Let's go up further. Woo! Oh, the current is strong up here. Woo! That's a big rock.
Dry.
Anyway, yeah. Bro, look at this mud. Wait, did you hear that? Oh my gosh, y'all. Like I said, it's been 2 years, so this is nostalgic for me.
That.
Like, bro. Well, your phone has the case on it. It's waterproof.
I know, but also I've got.
Oh gosh, yo. I need to stick my. Mom, should I stick my head in?
That's up to you. I'm trying to keep the towels dry. The towels are in here.
All right, yo. Head stick. Ah.
Back up, please.
Gosh. That was, now I'm cold.
And now I have towels. I'm trying to keep them dry.
Whew.
Yeah, and the sun is...
Going down. All right. I keep almost falling right now. Y'all hear the creek and the birds? I'm gonna hear this more. Mom, come up here. It's right there. All the mud. Right there. And it's all leaves that have grown now. rock. Yeah, well, I just found a big rock. I just touched this. Okay. This rock is cool. I'm gonna keep this. Here, Mom. Keep this. This is a cool rock. Is that okay?
Put it in there.
I know. I'm gonna go lift up that big rock. Yo, cube? Minecraft? Nah, this is a Minecraft, bro. Oh, skipping rock. Oh, yeah. It's actually not that good. Hold on. This looks like freaking gold. This looks like gold. What's up? There's none right here. Golden rock. This water is at my knees, or my shins, I meant. Yeah, it used to be at my feet. This got like deep. I think like, where is this rock? Oh, hey, bro, what? Looks like a blobfish. Look at the nose, bro. Alright, y'all. Just put my hand down in the water. Whoa! Whoa! Look at this! I'm gonna keep this. Yo! Look at how cool this thing looks.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna keep this.
Okay, don't forget about it.
Anyway, yo! Minecraft cube! Nah, it's a slab. Nah, bro. Oh, boom. Yo, these are some cool rocks. Can't help but keep these. Found a Minecraft cube block, and then small rocks are gonna be
fill me up with rocks.
Here. Can we put this in here?
Can we put them on the side?
Yeah. Boom.
There's the other one. Already.
This one. Boom. And that's a tight seal.
Yeah. I'm gonna put that one right there.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Oh hey! Stop it! Anyway, that was chaotic. Alright, Mom, come down here with me. Just not in the kayak. Set your kayak down. Wedge it in something.
What are we doing?
I'm going down there.
Alright. Dry.
Woo! Skipper! Woohoo! Giant skipper! Here, I'm gonna put this. No,
You're gonna load me down so hard.
no, it's only one rock. It's only one. So mine is wedged on wood, and yours is gonna be wedged on mine, and mine is wedged on
As long
wood.
as they don't float away. If they float away, we ain't going nowhere. Oh look, you got a break.
Yeah. That's what
You
I'm.
wanna put some rocks up to create a stop?
Oh, there's a big rock right there.
Yeah, this is just gonna float away.
Well, mine's not floating away for some reason.
Maybe mine's built different.
Mine is light. Mine's meant for 110 to 20 pounds. Here, I'll wedge yours in a rock I found. Oh, right here. I think we should wedge it. Yep. See? It's wedged. Don't move it. There we go. All right. Come on. Okay, stick. Oh, stick. Sticker. And then the hammer. Anyway. I'm gonna get you. Look at this. Hammer.
There's no float.
I'm gonna put this in your backpack.
Put it on the side.
Whoop. Anyway, yo,
What are we seeing?
you are at 9% battery, yo.
Oh boy.
Anyway, let's go. Whew. All right, this rock is okay. Wedged. Okay, I'm gonna cut to somewhere else. All right. So.
You're walking through Halloween.
Hey, don't get mad at me.
I think they're just trying to get water.
All right. Anyway, Mom, are you gonna hop in?
Yeah, we're trying to figure out the best place to step out, not disturb all these critters. I'm gonna go left because there's bees and there's.
All right.
Ooh, my butt.
We are at the starting river, the starting point of the creek. And now I'm gonna go a bit deeper because I like to swim in here. Ah! Y'all, look at this. It looks like a hoe from Minecraft. It's like a wooden hoe from Minecraft, y'all. Look, wooden hoe from Minecraft. Oh yeah. Or like a scythe? A scythe? Is it a scythe or is it a wooden hoe? Y'all, comment down below if this is a scythe or if it's a wooden hoe from Minecraft. Y'all are already at 4%, guys. Y'all are probably at 3% now. Anyway, scythe. Mom, look, scythe.
The whip.
Oh, it's a whip. It's a whip. Bro, cracking a whip. And also look at how...
Careful. Oh, she broke it.
What? Oh, I broke it.
You broke it.
Auto exposure. What? What? What is on my screen right now, y'all?
Water?
Anyway, that was a glitch. I don't know what happened.
Where?
No, I don't know. Anyway.
Oh, ouch.
What?
I stepped on a stick.
Alright. Alright. Oh, gosh. Oh! I tripped.
Yeah,
Yo.
a lot of ice and trees broke.
Y'all are at 2% now.
Alright, maybe time to turn it off.
Anyway, y'all. Whoop. Anyway, y'all.
After the storm.
See you in the next video. Bye.